Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are now back here at the Toyota dealership. Oh, this one is nice. Hold on. Look at this one here. That's cute, right? You don't like this? It's ugly. Oh, this one is 40,000. Look at that. 40,417.
What year is it?
This is a brand new one. I think it's cute. All right, we can walk on down there. No, of course not. That's not your price range at all. That one look a little weird. Huh? These are all new. You cannot afford the new. This is dirty. You like this one? And guys, I am so sorry. I just jumped right on in and started the video. But guys, welcome to another video. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Vanessa. And the name of my channel is Lifestyle with Vanessa Stevens. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for returning and watching my videos. Right now, we are out car shopping again with my son. He is looking for a new vehicle. So now, today we are at, this one is cute too. Right now we are at the Toyota dealership and checking out what they have here. This one must be new too. Yeah, this one is 39. I'm talking to you and you gone, boy. I said I'm talking to you and you gone. See, we're gonna need some help to find out where the used vehicles are at, because most of these are new. Wanna head on inside? Yeah, so you can find out, because we just walking and don't even know where to walk. Go ahead and head to me so I can watch. So I can video you. Yeah. Well, they probably can't see us out here. This lot is big. Look at him. He a grown man handling his own business, going to get his car. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Very professional. They got tables like they're in a restaurant. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm looking to find some help in this car today.
Thank you. It's like a little dining area. Call them now and tell them, can they send the car over so you can test drive it? Huh? I might as well wait now. How you doing? I'm recording his journey. Oh.
I help you tell him my name is Jessica. My last name is Johnson.
The first time coming to a dealership.
Oh, yeah? When it happened, when it happened. You know what kind of gift you want? Yes, I got a few options. That's either Corolla, Camry, or Honda.
It's really nice in here. They have it set up like it's a little dining area over there.
We try.
it that, let's say like the 2024, 2025 low mileage on the cars, how is that possible, and how are they coming back to the dealership? Could it be because something was wrong with the car, or was it a leased car, or?
It could be a lot of different factors in there. It could be a factor of somebody leased one and then they got out of it early or anything like that, or it could be someone had it for a year and they were trying to upgrade because they got into it because they were just trying to build their credit and stuff like that. Because those are one of our builder cars.
Okay.
So we use those as first time buyers and stuff like that, brand new, because they get good rates and stuff like that, which is what I was about to go into next.
Okay.
Brand new car, you get the beauty of auto warranty. You don't have to worry about maintenance for the next 2 to 4 years owning the car. Tire rotations, all that stuff is free of charge. Oil change is free of charge. With the powertrain warranty for a 5 year, 60,000 mile warranty, 3 year, 36,000 mile comprehensive warranty also. So it comes fully equipped with the warranty, but that might still put you in the same payment range between $400 and $500 a month when it comes to monthly payment range.
And that's with the leasing?
That's with financing.
Oh, financing. Okay.
The leasing, probably could lease also, but we just have to see what it would look like when it comes to leasing on there. Also, payments could be lower when it comes to that portion of it also.
It depends on his credit score.
Correct.
Okay.
Well, leasing is a great option. A lot of people are scared of leasing because of the bad track that it had back in the day and stuff like that, but leasing is actually a great option, especially when you're like looking at a certain payment range, because it gives you the beauty of being able to have a brand new car. You had to keep it for 3 years and give it back with no penalties or anything like that if you stay within the mileage, or you can keep that car.
So what happens if you go over the mileage?
If you go over the miles, they do charge you like I think it's like 18 cents a mile that you go over. But if you plan on keeping it, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because you have a chance to either give the keys back or you can finance the remainder.
Okay.
Because you're just paying on a percentage of the car. So it's pretty much like financing, but it gives you an option to have a way out of that financing also. Versus if you're financing it 100%, if you sort of decide in 2-3 years that you want to trade this vehicle in, you have to trade it in. That's the balance coming over with it. Versus on leasing, that balance doesn't come with it too much.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So that could be a great option for you there also.
All right, y'all, so I'm going to end this video here while he is handling his business, and after that we're going to just try to figure out what is the best choice for him, and then I will get back on camera and let you know what car he chose. Have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day.